This is a fan. And this is also a fan. It doesn't look like one. Looks like a lamp. This is a Dyson fan, and it was invented by Sir James Dyson in 2009. It's also called the bladeless fan, and it uses the Coanda effect to put out up to 15 times more air than a regular fan. A jet engine is basically a fan on steroids, so I was thinking to myself, would this concept work as a jet engine? A fan needs blades, is just the way the world works. So please explain to me, how in the hell is the Dyson fan not using blades? Well, as you might have guessed, the Dyson fan also uses blades, but they are hidden in the base, in the form of an impeller. The impeller works as a dynamic air compressor that increases the pressure of the air and forces it to come out of slits placed in the interior surface of a ring. This peculiar design uses the fact that air is sticky to pull extra air from the back and the sides of the fan, and thus multiplies the amount of air that is thrown on your hot face. So I had this idea of basically replicating this fan on a smaller scale, but also placing a combustion chamber where the air is at the highest pressure. This should generate a lot of gas, and with a little bit of luck, thrust.